Well, here again. Got her back together. I don't know if I explained in the last video. The valves are fine. One valve cover bolt won't tighten up, but it's tightened enough. I went through the carburetor again. It's been sitting here 10 minutes with gas in it. Got the fuel switch on. There's no gas dripping. That's just the oil and gas from when I was working on it. Where is it at? Got her sitting, getting ready, letting oil go down into it slowly. New fresh oil. Then we'll check it. I don't smell gas like I did earlier. I mean, I'm going to because of just me spilling it and stuff. I still got to get a little bit of gas in the one I changed the oil in. That one's just there because eventually I will going to start that too. I'm eventually going to start them all, but first would be the Honda to see what it's going to do. I'm going to set you up here. Put you up a little higher. Now, if the wife was home, I'd have her just go ahead and hold the camera for me, but unfortunately she's not. I don't know if I should choke it or just pull it. Because it's one of those auto chokes that it sounds like it wants to, but now at least I can get some good pulls in it. What to do? Got an idea. Be right back. Alright, girls. Cold out. Alright. What I think I'm going to do is take one of these pharmacy syringes. This is the one in the shed I get full of oil. Well, yeah. She got a lot of oil already in it. Borrowed some gas from the Toro gas tank. This is pure gas, no oil mix. There's a lot of oil already up in there already. So put about I'll put about, I don't know, a teaspoon of gas in there. It's really going to shoot flames out of it. No. Come on, honey, wake up. I'm going to squirt another, not even a quarter of a teaspoon in there. It wants to run. Here you go again. Wants to run. Check for fuel leak. Yeah, she's starting to leak now. Or is that even gas? I don't know, hard to tell because of my hands. It's not leaking a lot. But it wants to backfire. Wants to backfire. Let's do it again. Come on, syringe. Ooh, that's too much gas. Well, I got 8 mils of fuel, which is a teaspoon and a half. Oh, so that was a half. Well, that was a quarter what I put in it last time. I put, I guess half a tablespoon, which is 6 mils inside. Okay. Wow. A little high there, but yeah, definitely got carburetor issues. That's why the throttle ain't working. The throttle ain't working very well, but I think I'm going to call that a success. It's not a real 100% real revival. Sorry, I had to think about that. But it is good. It does run. It will run. Turn the fuel off here. It's not entirely leaking. I hope that fuel switch is working. Not, we'll have to get another one. But, okay. This can go to, well, I guess we can just bundle this Honda up, and it can go in the shed. It will go in the shed. It's not going to sit outside. It will run. It will. What I think I'm going to have done is when it gets warmer out, or some other day, because I don't know, I've had that carburetor off too many times. What I want to do is, in the near future, I'll take the carburetor off of it, take it down to the auto shop, have it dumped in your ultrasonic cleaner, and get it clean. And then maybe I'll have a mastermind mechanic, which is my father-in-law, take a look at it and see, you know, well, maybe this is bad in it, that's bad, this ain't gonna cause it to run. So we'll see how that goes. But I say that was a success. Hopefully it don't leak any more gas. Fuel line is off. Then once it gets it running, then it pretty much just needs a cable and a filter and an oil change, which I'm not doing an oil change right now. All right. You know what? I probably should check to see if it's leaking in the oil. Yeah, definitely all that. Nope. You know, that may have been from earlier. Didn't think about that. All right. Clean up some more of my tools. We'll try to do a cold start on the Toro. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean up as I go, because I still got things to do today. I got to do stuff around the house. I want to get it done today. put this shot of fuel in there because I got to dilute that now. And I still got to figure out a kill situation. Whoa, losing shit here. I knew that was going to fall, but at least I saw it. Guess it'll go in my pocket. Alright, well, let's check the oil on this, and then we'll do that cold start on that. Or maybe I'll do a cold start in another video. Is she still low in oil? We'll let some of that old oil come out of this. I should have added oil before I put the old motor oil up. I'm not trying to put too much in. Alright, we'll call that a success with the Honda. I'll do another separate cold start video. So, that is it. We succeeded at what we wanted to do today with this Honda. It did fire up, and as you can see, it did run and die, which means it's not getting fuel from the carburetor. The carburetor, which I don't know what to call it, the carburetor or the fuel making happener. Well, anyways, it's not functioning properly, and it looks clean. It looks clean, but still, it might need a trip in the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm actually getting tired of taking it on and off, on and off, on and off, because I don't know. But yeah, it does have a spot in the shed. It does. And the only reason why I was going to leave it outside is because I thought it had other issues. So, I guess we'll do a cold start video in my next video, which will be as soon as I get off here. Then after that, then I have to go organize the shed so I can get this in there without putting it on my workbench. So thank you for watching.